Data Jockey here, machine learning for Victorian racing. Race 4 at Moe, Thursday 13 August 2026. Let us get straight into it. Right here is the quick summary for Race 4 at Moe, and this is one worth paying attention to. Two selections from the model today. Coco is the place selection, that is the top pick, the one the model is most confident about. And La Velocita is in the same race multi as the top 4 selection. Not a standalone place selection, the same race multi only. So if you are short on time, there it is. Coco for the place, same race multi combining both. But do yourself a favor and stay with us, because what the model is seeing in this race is genuinely interesting, and understanding it will help you make a more informed decision. Let us break it down. Race 4 Moe, 8 runners today, top 3 pay the place dividend. Worth noting straight away, the model's top selection this time is actually the market favorite. The data and the crowd are aligned here, which is its own kind of signal. Two selections on the board, a place pick, and a same race multi-combination. Remember, the model only shows up with genuine value, never a forced quota. Today it has found two worth covering. Quick context before the picks, since how this works matters for understanding what follows. The model driving these selections is machine learning based, trained on Victorian racing, and it never stops updating. Every race meeting adds to what it knows. That is different from a static system built once and forgotten, and it matters because racing patterns shift over time, season to season, even track condition to track condition. The real differentiator, though, is the target. Most tipping approaches chase the winner. This model chases place finishers instead, horses landing in the top positions, paying a place dividend. Different target, different method entirely. It is processing dozens of variables across the whole field simultaneously: pace, distance, field makeup, historical patterns, how each runner matches today's specific rivals. All at once, in combinations that are well beyond what manual analysis can realistically track. The full methodology is linked in the description if you want to go deeper. Right now, though, Race 4 is the focus, and the model has a strong view worth walking through. Let us get into it. Pick 1, the model's top selection for Race 4. Coco, the market favorite. Now this is interesting, and it does not happen every race. The model is agreeing with the market here. Coco fits the place finisher profile the model looks for, and it fits it strongly enough to be the top pick. Now that does not mean it is a certainty, nothing in racing ever is. But it does mean the model's analysis and the market are pointing in the same direction, which is a meaningful signal in itself. I cannot give you one clean reason why the model rates Coco so highly. That is genuinely not how it works. It is simultaneously processing dozens of variables across the entire field. Track conditions, distance, field composition, historical patterns, across thousands of Victorian races, all of it at once. What I can tell you is that the model was built specifically to find place finishers, not winners. So when it lands on the favorite as the top pick, it is saying this horse fits the historical pattern of horses that hit the places in races like this one. That is a different question to whether it wins, and that distinction is the whole point of building it this way. Coco for the place, top 3 finish in a 8-runner field. That is what the model is saying about Race 4. For entertainment purposes only, please make your own informed decision before placing any bet. Pick 2, La Velocita, currently 4th in the market. Now this one is a different kind of selection to pick 1, and it is worth understanding the distinction clearly. The model sees La Velocita finishing in the top 4, but not necessarily in top 3. That is a crucial difference. The data does not support a standalone place selection here. It does support the same race multi as the top 4 selection. Now that might sound like a technicality, but in an 8-runner field, it is meaningful. The top 3 pays a place dividend, 4th does not. So a place selection on La Velocita on its own is not what the model is suggesting. The same race multi is where it fits. Think about what the model is actually saying about La Velocita. It belongs in this race. It fits the profile of a horse that finishes in the top 4 in this field. But whether it gets into top 3, that is less certain. For the same race multi, top 4 is enough. Coco top 3, La Velocita top 4. That is the combination the model is pointing to. for Race 4. The same race multi for Race 4. Coco as a top 3 finisher, La Velocita as a top 4 finisher. Check your wagering provider for availability on this market. Now, before you consider placing it, something worth being clear about, because it is easy to get this confused. These are two completely different bet types with completely different probability profiles. They are not interchangeable, and they are not equally likely to land. The place selection on Coco is the higher probability option. The model is more confident in that outcome. Lower return, yes, but a stronger chance of landing. That is where the model has the most confidence for Race 4. The same race multi is the longer odds option. Both legs need to land, Coco in top 3, La Velocita in the top 4, lower probability than the place alone. But the return if both land is meaningfully better. You do not have to consider both. The place selection on Coco is where the model has the strongest signal. The same race multi is there for those who want to explore the longer odds option. Whatever you decide, go in with a clear understanding of what each bet requires. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please make your own informed decision. If today's full card is what you are after, every race has a dedicated video, all collected in the playlist, uploaded ahead of Race 1. Worth browsing the other races to see which selections fit what you are after. Combining multiple model selections into a place multi is something some punters do. Your wagering provider can explain how that works. Whatever you decide, make sure it is your own informed call. One more thing worth repeating, check for scratchings before placing any bet, since they can completely reshape a race on the day. For Race 4, the model's place selection is Coco. The playlist has the rest of the card, and if you have not subscribed, this channel runs for every Victorian meeting, every race day, entirely free. And that is Race 4 Moe done. The place selection is Coco, with the same race multi-combination sitting at Coco top 3 and La Velocita top 4 for anyone chasing the longer odds. Results are tracked and posted publicly every week without exception, every good week and every bad one included. That ongoing record, built up week after week, is the fairest way to judge whether this model is genuinely worth following, rather than taking any single claim on faith. As always, this is purely for entertainment purposes. Please make your own informed decisions and gamble responsibly. See you in the next video.